You're a data professional and you need to choose a chart for your dashboard or report. But there are so many different chart types and viz options out there. How do you choose the best one for your case? In this video, I will show you 3 resources that you can use to choose the correct chart for your use case. 2 are focused on the most popular BI tools on the market, Tableau and Power BI, and the third one is tool agnostic.
First one is Visual Vocabulary by Andy Kribel. Here you can pick what exactly you want to show, distribution, ranking, correlation, and so on. When you pick it, you will see the charts that are recommended for your case. There is a description for every chart so that you can navigate easier. You can download as a workbook from this button, and you can open in Tableau Public or in Tableau Desk. The second one is Chart Selector by Zebra BI. Here again, you choose the type of visualization you want to create and select a chart that you like. Some of the charts are built in the tool, while others need to be downloaded. Here you have some examples of the charts. You have again descriptions, and you have also a short tutorial on how to actually build a chart with a description and a GIF. The third is Data Viz Catalog. It's tool agnostic. This site provides a ton of data viz value. First, you pick the function, what you want to show with your data viz. Let's say I want to see proportions. Then you are presented with the choice of different data viz types. I will select the bubble chart. You have the example, you have a description, and what you also have are links to different tutorials on how to build this type of chart in different technologies or web apps. So you can use these links to navigate and see how to actually build it.
These are one of the top resources you can use to pick a chart for your dashboard or report. I have actually created a list of 25 different resources in a LinkedIn post, so feel free to check it out. I'll leave the link down in the description. I plan on consolidating useful knowledge for data analysts here and on LinkedIn, so you know what to do. Until next time, bye!